What is up, guys? In this video we're going to be having a look at VRA Verasity right now, currently attempting to regain the level at the exponential moving average. We know every time we are above these EMA ribbons we're pretty much bullish, and every time we are below it we're slightly bearish. And of course, Bitcoin is currently pumping. If you guys have been watching my Telegram channel or even my Twitter, my X channel, you guys know that I did call this breakout on Bitcoin. Obviously, $98,000 on my Telegram. I called this exactly at 98,500, and we actually came exactly to reach our target. Before I have a look at Veracity to see if it's actually possible to reach $1. So the markup not only would have to be $9.8 billion, which is really high. So can Veracity really reach $1? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. We know, $1 was very doable, especially knowing last bull market a lot of these cryptos were reaching billions and billions of dollars. But now it looks like everything is shifting to meme coins. A lot of these meme coins are reaching billions and billions of dollars. Now, before I talk about all that, I do want to have a look and spin this real quick. So pretty much with BTCC, you could actually spin the wheel and potentially win one Bitcoin or one Ethereum. So 10,000 USDT or 10,000 XRP, depending on what it is. You get 3 spins every day, and pretty much that's about it. So if you guys do want to sign up with that, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. Not only that, but if you do deposit and make a bunch of trades, you could actually get a $10,000 USDT bonus. So that's pretty darn good in my opinion. And if you guys have not yet, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button. Of course, I would really appreciate it if you guys if you guys are and do like my content, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. And that's about it. Anyways, having a look at Veracity right here, you guys can see that VRA is currently traded at 0033. Okay, so market cap sitting at $33 million. So $33 million, pretty cheap, pretty low in my opinion. Can this be the next big cryptocurrency to pretty much go up? Now, Veracity is not a meme coin, it is an altcoin. It has real utility, and unfortunately a lot of these meme coins are taking liquidity from, not from Bitcoin, but from the altcoin market, Ethereum, etc. So, people are dumping all their money into Solana. People want to get rich quick, and people are not really thinking about the long term. But in my opinion, I think that Veracity at the end of the day is here to stay. You guys can see right here, 24-hour traded volume is $9 million. We're talking about real growth, real organic growth, 4.2%. Not the best gains compared to meme coins, but still there. Market cap 33 million. Now, something that I do want to talk about is a circling supply. So circling supply of VRA is currently sitting at 9.8 billion tokens. If you guys remember my videos in the past, even a year ago, we were sitting at like 10.2 billion tokens in circulation. So the fact that the circling supply is and keeps on going down makes it extremely bullish for VRA, because obviously there's less supply, and if the demand goes higher, the price will shoot up even higher. So that's obviously very bullish, and that's the max circling supply, by the way. The total supply right here has nothing to do with VRA in my opinion. You'll never see 96 billion tokens in the circling supply. The max supply or the circling supply currently right now is 9.8 billion, and every quarter they do a quarterly burn, which is of course very bullish. The more people use the whole Veracity thing, obviously the more tokens they will burn, which obviously is very bullish. So that's that on VRA. For those of you guys who don't know, just a quick update. Veracity right now is currently pumping up 7.8% right here since the new daily candle started. So not really in the last 24 hours, but since the new daily candle started, almost 8%. Of course, due to Bitcoin's pump right here, regaining these exponential moving average right here on Veracity, which is of course very bullish. Stochastic RSI, we know we were actually consolidating right here on VRA, and if you guys are a trader, you would know that this would be a good long opportunity for Veracity. So that's that on Veracity, on the exponential moving average, on the stochastic RSI. I do want to have a look right here at the bigger picture, and I'm talking right here like on the weekly time frame. So this is Veracity on the weekly time frame. There's a few things that needs to happen in order for us, I don't know, to see all-time high, but for us to essentially break out. So this needs to happen. First of all, Veracity is in a falling broadening wedge. This is known as a bullish pattern. A lot of people think this is actually a bearish pattern. Falling broadening wedges are actually bullish pattern, and if Veracity manages to break this lower high pattern, we should see a massive breakout to the upside, and I'm talking a few 100%. And of course, this would only be the beginning. If I even extend that and look at the monthly time frame, you guys can see that, okay, this is actually on MEXC, but you guys can see that Veracity did reach at 0.016. Now, of course, there's more history. If you look at other cryptos, let's say on KuCoin, let's say, you're gonna see way more history on pretty much Veracity than anything else. You guys can see right here VRA all-time high is currently sitting at 10 cents. And of course, this all-time high right here that you saw in the previous chart was actually MEXC. So this thing is not really accurate, but you guys can see this consolidation pattern actually reminds me of this past consolidation pattern that we had before Verasity really took it and exploded. Like, what was it, 13,000%, something like that, 18,000%. So that's pretty bullish. I mean, we had this exact same consolidation that we're seeing right here. It reminds me of the exact same one. We had a few monthly candle like that. We had a crazy pump like that, some sort of like a triangle, and pretty much the same thing is happening right now, followed by consolidation. And you guys can see right here, this is a small consolidation that we're having right now. So obviously not financial advice. You guys should definitely always do your own research, always do your own due diligence. But if we do break out of here, our next target should be right here, 0.0076 0076, which is right below 1 cent. And if we do break above this level right here, which is at 1 cent approximately, let's say if we do close above 1 cent, you could expect Verasity to pretty much go, and I don't know about making all-time high, but at least retesting this level right here, which is 0.005 or 0.045. So obviously that's a pretty good gain from here. I mean, we're looking at a 12x from here, guys. That's not bad. And of course, we know that circling supply is going to keep on decreasing, so that's only going to make it more bullish in terms of market cap, right? So yes, the market cap, the chart, it doesn't look good right now. It looks ugly. We know that the all-time high right here was $514 million, $500 million, of course. Not the same thing, very different. But in my opinion, we could definitely see a 12x return on VRA, and pretty much that's about it. If we have a look right here at the regular RSI, which is the relative trend index, we could see right here that we are trending right below the 50 mark on the RSI. And of course, we're sitting right below the moving average on the RSI. But imagine what happens not only when we break above the moving average, but we essentially break above the 50 on the RSI level. We're most likely going to go parabolic, and it's most likely going to be very bullish. So that is my video on VRA. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button on my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. And of course, if you guys do want to essentially spin it to win it, you guys can click on the link in the description below. And if you guys do want to get $10,000, you could click on the link in the description below. Everything will be in the link in the description below down there. If you guys do like this video, once again, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.